Impressive, Linda. It seems age isn't slowing you down. But your immune system weakens as you get older, increasing the risk for me. The shingles virus. I've been lurking inside you since you had chickenpox. I could surface any time as a painful, blistering rash. 1 in 3 people get me in their lifetime, Linda. Will it be you?
And that's why Linda got me, Zostavax, a single-shot vaccine. I'm working to boost Linda's immune system to help protect her against you, shingles. Zostavax is a vaccine used to prevent shingles in adults 50 years of age and older. Zostavax does not protect everyone and cannot be used to treat shingles or the nerve pain that may follow it. You should not get Zostavax if you are allergic to gelatin or neomycin, have a weakened immune system, or take high doses of steroids, are pregnant, or plan to become pregnant. The most common side effects include redness, pain, itching, swelling, hard lump, warmth or bruising at the injection site, and headache. It's important to talk to your doctor about what situations you may need to avoid, since Zostavax contains a weakened chickenpox virus. Remember, 1 in 3 people get shingles in their lifetime. Will it be you? Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about me, single-shot Zostavax. You've got a shot against shingles.